Greetings, our dear viewer. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. This is your ICT facilitator, ICT tutor Mutebi Ratib. Today we are going to be discussing UNEB UCE ICT practical paper, which is paper 2, code 840-2025, item 2. We are going to be discussing more on what the learner had to do on this item as we go step by step. Remember that everything that I've used in this video, I have been able to put it for you in the video description. Please go in there, check it up, download the support files, download the question paper, download the dummy material I'm using, download the site so that you can be able to work with me, Mpola. So thank you so much. Let's go down and start breaking down. So this is our question. I've been able to put in the support material. They are telling us here that Uganda National Examination Board, ICT paper 2. Today we are going to be discussing about item 2. Remember, the video on item 1 has also been uploaded on the YouTube channel. Please check it up and then try out with me. So today, let us go down to our motive. Item 1 is over here. They are telling us that Summit Forge, a secondary school, has been facing several challenges in recent years. The school's publicity in the community is poor. Students' enrollment has been declining and the school struggles to attract new students. The head teacher and the school board of governors think that by designing a website as a way of marketing the school, the surrounding community and the world at large will get to know more about the school's history, academic programs, co-curricular activities, and the contact information. The head teacher has contracted your ICT teacher to do the work. Fortunately, your teacher has been in turn assigned the work to you and provided you with some data you may need in the support folder, My School. Task: do the assignment, provide a soft copy on a CD, DVD, and a sample hard copies of the assignment, clearly indicating your name and personal number as the developer on each of those copies. Okay, so now when you check here, they are checking to see whether the candidate is observant enough to check each and every element. The head teacher and the school board of governors think that by designing the website as a way of marketing the school, the surrounding community and the world at large will get to know more about what? About the school's history, yes, academic programs, very good, co-curricular activities, and the contact information. So they have been able to talk about the key things that the learner has to appreciate as they answer the scenario: school's history, academic programs, co-curricular activities, and the contact information. So here I have been able to design for you a dummy project which we are to use as a master plan, as a blueprint, as we come up with our own project as we go through. So this project has over 5 pages where we have looked at the home page. On the home page, we have looked at some sample information on what makes up our school. Academic page, under the academic page here, on the academic page, we have been able to look at briefly. Let me get back here. We have our home page. On the home page, we have some dummy information. We have the academics page where we have been able to put a few images, the subjects we teach, some catching statements here, querying, what we do, the learning approach, and then a few images about the learning environment. Then under activities, I have been able to put co-curricular activities where we have looked at the cultural dances, the sports activities. We have also come up with the contact us page for those that want to reach out. On the contact us page, we have been able to put some simple images, the address info, we have put the email, the website link, etc. And then a form that interested applicants can be able to fill with us and then work with us. Then also I've been able to put the facts page. Under the facts page, I've been able to put the key common questions that they keep maybe asking that the learner can also think around to see that we can move better. Then I've also been able to put a few images over here, our office, the school choir, etc. And then the school name, I was able to put it there. And then we have our logo that I selected from the few images that were provided. So we are to use this as a master plan to see that we can get there. We can see how we align the images, our contact info, our facts page, etc. So now we are going to check together line by line to see that we achieve the same project together. But before I dive deep, let me take you through the marking points. As the learner attends to items that call for online publications, these are the key marking points for website designing. We shall look more on when designing a website or item 2 in paper 2, ensure the following elements are included. 1. The organization name should be clearly indicated. Here, I had said Summit Forge Secondary School. 2. A logo. All these are key points. Even if they're not provided in the support material, please go on. You can compose yours. You can put a simple image to act as your logo, the way I inserted mine here. 3. We want to look at a marquee, those catching areas that will keep scrolling around onto your screen, which I also provide. The way I said, education with a difference. Or when you check onto my contact us page, I also had to put a simple marquee at the bottom part where I said that beyond the classroom, our learners shine through sports, music, drama, and clubs that nurture talent, discipline, and teamwork. I also had to put it there. Then 4, we need the address, the contact, the feedback section is also key and paramount. When you check here, in our dummy, I went on to provide some contact info and then a simple form where interested applicants can be able to check with us. Then away from that, we also need a form, which I've already highlighted. Then the captions on pictures. When you check on my activities, I went on to say now these are cultural dances too. Second, my images, the sports activities, so that my site speaks to the people navigating through. A footer that is clear. It can be as simple as designed by Mutebi Ratib. When you check here, I have a very nice footer which is highlighting my name. Away from that, we need active, the shared banner. When you look at all my pages, you see that we have the same header cutting across all pages. Away from that, we need active links, navigation bar. When I click on the home page, I should be on the home page. Academics, I should be on the academics page. Activities, contact us, all the links should be active. The other is variety in fonts, variations. You look at the heading, the fonts keep on changing, bolding here and there to see that we can come up with a stunning website. Then the page balance. I want that your site balances. The content is fitting on the page. The content is not ambiguous. Things are fitting on your working space. Away from that, I need to see visible font sizes. The size of the font should be clear so I can easily read your content. Explore the wide range of academic programs offered at Summit Forge Secondary School. You see that everything is clear for visual interests. Now, let's see how can we achieve the same project from scratch. Today, we are going to be using Expression Web as our site, as our application of interest. Remember to subscribe and share, and everything that I'm to use into this video, please, I have provided them for you in the video description. Go check it up, download, work with me. Pause, play, pause, play. Remember, each one should teach one. You learn something, please teach it to someone. Is your ICT facilitator, Mutebi Ratib. First things first. 1, create a folder. Right-click in space, go to option in new, create a folder. My folder will be Mutebi Ratib. Very fast, 009. I'm to use 009 as my folder of interest. After creating a folder, please go on and create 2 subfolders over there. Learners attending to ICT paper 2, we need 2 subfolders. Folder 1, attending item 1, we shall be put. Remember, we worked on item 1 already. It's already in the video onto the YouTube channel. Please check it up and work with me. Folder 2, come over here, go to new and say, this is item 2. Item 2 is what we are going to be using today. After creating our item 2 folder, currently it's blank. I'll now take a walk through into the support material that have been provided. When you check into the support material, we have a folder for item 2, which is called My School. So I will come into My School folder. I look through, I see we have very, very good images. Control A, highlight, Control C, copy, come over here into our folder of interest, item 2 folder, and Control V. Control V on your keyboard to see that you put your images into your project. Now, after doing this, run straight. Check into the search area onto your taskbar, type in expression. Remember, for those that want to install Expression Web, a video has been uploaded on the channel. Please, even the files, the software has also been attached in the video description where we have been able to teach you on how to install this application. Now, I will say, please come back to the search area, type expression. You will see this Expression Web 4, then click open, and then your application will start opening. Yes, here we go. I will come over here. This is my site of interest. Let me roll it again. Come over here, Expression Web. I say open. When I click open, one more time, here we go. Remember to subscribe and share. You are my hero for the day. Okay, now, after putting this here, just move straight, click site, then go to click site, go to new site, then come here and say one page site, then come and browse your folder on your desk. Remember, my folder is the Mutebi Ratib 009. Click over here, check and see. My folder is Mutebi Ratib 009. Click open, and then go into item 2 where we put our images, and then click open. When I click open, click OK, and then we are good to go. Now, when you check here, by default, they will give you our first page being default.html. Come, right click, go to rename, and save it as the home. We want to save it as home.html. So our page is here. Now we are good to go. Double tap to open the page, and then we start designing. One, I want to be replicating our masterpiece, which we are to use as a blueprint. We want to come up with a site of this nature with these pages that is attending to the item setter's interest, as you see over here. Now I will go straight. I start by composing a simple table. Go to table, click insert table, and then say I want to see one row, but this row should be having how many columns? When you check onto a masterpiece, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 6 columns. Come over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Come and click OK. When I click OK, now we shall have our page, our table coming over here. I will start typing. This is the Summit Forge Secondary School. Nice. After putting it there, let me right click again, go to table properties. I want to make sure that my content is aligned center. Click OK. Yes. Now when you get back here, I will now move on. I do some more edits. I come here. I say this is my home. I continue. This is my academics. Continue. This is my activities page. Very fast. Remember, you don't have time. Come over here. This is our contact us. And then lastly, I want to compose a facts page. Frequently asked questions, our facts. So after putting it there, I will come. I want to insert a simple logo here. So I will go into my support folder. Click here. Which one should I take? I had selected this in my dummy content. I had selected something like this. Ctrl C, and then come into your site where you want to paste it. You say Ctrl V, and then click OK. When you click OK, your image will be inserted. Right click on it. Go to picture properties. I want us to give it a clear width and height measurements. I want to keep it keep aspect ratio. Come over here. I want to keep it at 80. Even here, I want to keep its height at 80 so that it is really, really blending. Yes. After putting there, align it center, and then after I want to move here. I want to make this a bit thicker. Highlight my heading. I want to bold it. After bolding, I want to keep it at a clear font. Arial narrow. Yes, I want to bold it more time, give it size 36, align it center, and then away from that, still I want to come to these navigation buttons. I align them center, increase their font a little bit, around 18. Yes, at 18, I can keep them there. I can also go over here. I give them a clear background around there. I move here. I give them a clear font color of white. I bold them for clarity. Then away from that, I will also come to this cell. I want to come to this cell where we have the school name. I say under here, I want to put a different color. Can this work? Yes, that can work, but I wanted a background color. Ctrl Z, right click, go to cell properties, come and say background color. I want to take this shiny, okay, let me take this green. I click OK. When I get back, yes, at least I have my banner coming, taking shape. Ctrl S to save changes. Very, very nice. Now below that, I will come over here. I want to insert a simple, let me insert a simple horizontal line to separate that for me. Come over here, click insert, HTML, horizontal line. I want to put it here, right click, horizontal line properties. I want to make it a bit thicker, give it height around 10. Come here, I want to give it red. Come here, make it solid, click OK. Yes, our line is over there. Now away from that, I want to insert a simple marquee here. I'll go to my code view. I say under my code view here, I want to put a tag for a marquee. So you open tag, you say marquee, M-A-R-Q-U-E-E, close tag. I want to say my marquee will be education. My marquee will be education with a difference, with our difference. Remember, the candidate doing the task, you have to be very, very creative and very fast. Please be very fast. Remember, you don't have time. Ctrl S, education with a difference. Come back to your design view. Yes, we have some ambiguous spacing. Then here we go. Tap on it. After tapping on it, I'm going to go on and give it a clear background. Come over here. I want to give it this blue. It made my section look better. Come over here. I want to give it white. Click OK. Come over here, bold it. You can also move on and increase on each size a bit, and then Ctrl S. After putting that there, very, very fast, come and continue pushing. Yes, come and continue pushing. Now, after putting that up there, I want to create some dummy space there. After creating the dummy space, I will go on and compose my footer. My footer will be, come to insert. I want to use a table, go to table, go to insert table, and then come over here and say, I want a table of one row, one column here. I want to align content center, click OK. Background color, let's take background color to be the blue, and then click OK. Here we go. I will come and say my footer will be designed. Allow me use font color white. Over here, I say, let me first type. This is capital D. Sorry, those that are not able to see, I'm going to change. Designed by Mutebi. Designed by Mutebi Ratib. Designed by Mutebi Ratib 009. After putting it here, I want to highlight, give it font color white. I want to bold it around here. I align it center, and then I can make it italic. So all this creativity should be coming from you, the candidate that is running through, to see that we can get better results. Now, after putting this down, let me increase on the spacing. I'm composing the structure. It's better you first compose the structure before you rush through. So after putting this down, we are taking shape. Remember, this is your ICT facilitator, ICT tutor, Mutebi Ratib on this one. Thank you so much for following, sharing, commenting. Let's roll it. We are doing UNEB 2025 ICT paper 2, item 2. Now I want to put another marquee at the bottom section, but before, let's Ctrl S. We first check onto our site. So far we have one page, which is the home page. How are things this side over here? Allow me to first close this and then leave the site. so that we can have everything clear. So when I check here, we want to see, yes, this is what we have so far. This is what we have. Something is taking shape. Come, we roll it. Now, after getting that, let me get back to my project. I want to put a simple marquee here that will make my site stand out. So I will go back to the code view. Under code view, where is my cursor? Okay, my cursor is over here below this. So I want to come, let me break a bit. I open another marquee tag, open tag, say marquee. Yes, here we go, a close tag. I want to put a catching statement there. I had typed this dummy information, which I've been able to put in the video description. Please check it up and walk through with me to see that we can catch up and balance the time very, very well. So when I check here, where had I put this file? I had called it, let me check, is it here? Yes, it is over here. I had named it as support material. Remember, I've been able to put all this in the video description. I'm doing it so that I can catch up with time. So I want to use these better words where I said beyond the classroom to be my marquee. So I will come over here, over here, I paste it, I Control S, get back to my code, and then, yes, I've put it here. I want to adjust it a little bit, background that, font color that, bold it a bit, italicize it, or we can keep it at that, align it center, Control S. After doing this, Control S, now we are getting ready. Come back to your browser, check on the progress to see that each and every detail is well captured. Yes, here we go, Control S, and now we are ready to go. Yes, sir. Now, let me get back to my project over here to see that we can roll out and get each and every detail at its best. Now, after composing the skeleton, now it's time for us to compose the other extra pages, the academics page, activities page, contact us page, and the facts page. Control S, save changes. Now to create a new page, we have very many approaches. You can Control N on your keyboard. Still, you have created a new page. I want to save this page as, I'm going to save this page. I'm going to save it as academics page. Yes, go to File, Save As, into my project which we called Item 2. I want to save it as academics. You say, let me call it academics.html. Come over here, give it a title. I want to save it as academics. Click OK. That is the title. Click Save. Control N again, create another page. We are to save this as activities. Go to Save As. We want to save this as activities.html. Come here, give it a title, HTML, give it a title. This is the activities page. Click OK. Control Save, Control N again. This page is Contact Us. Go to File, Save As. We want to save this as Contact Us. Contact Us.html. Give it a title. We want to save it as Contact Us page. Click OK. One more page. Click Save. One more page. Control N. Control N. Go to File. Save As. We want to save this as the facts page. Frequently asked questions. Facts. Then .html. Come over here, save it as a facts page as the title. Click OK. Now, after doing all this, click OK. These are our pages. So far, we have the skeleton ready, and then we have the other extra pages rolling as you see them. Currently, they are blank. Now, after doing this, the candidate is now supposed to link the pages. After linking, we shall start inserting in content very fast. Now I will come highlight the word home. We want to use this word as our link. You can right click on it, go to hyperlink. Over here we want to save this. Let me first browse to be sure that I'm within this current project, so that we don't miss out on any single element. When I check on my desktop over here, the folder is Mutebi Ratib 009. I will check item 2. Yes, it is over here. I say I want to link this to the home. I click OK. Yes, I will click OK. Yes, I come over here. I want to link the word home to home. Yes, come over here. First click in space so that you remove the HTTP. Make sure that you don't have the HTTP colons / because if you have it, your pages will not link. So if you see it, first click on any of the pages, then come back onto that preferred page. Then come here and click OK. When I click OK, I'm done applying a hyperlink onto my home page. Go to academics, highlight the word academics over here, and then right click, go to hyperlink. I want to link this to the page academics. Click OK. Continue like that. Go to activities page, highlight, right click, go to hyperlink. I want to link this to activities. Click OK. Continue, contact us page, highlight, right click, go to hyperlink, say this is contact us, click OK. Go to fax, highlight, right click, go to hyperlink, click the fax page is over here, and then click OK. So we are done linking all our pages, and now we are good to go. Now after doing all this, I'm going to customize my work a little bit, highlight the navigation links, go back. I don't want them underlined. Click this button one more time, and then I want to highlight them again. I want to maintain my white, which was my color of interest. Remember, we are attending to UNEB ICT paper 2, the year 2025 item 2, where the learner was examined on designing an online publication is what we are trying to zero down. Control S, save changes, make sure that everything is at stake. After saving changes, I will now copy all this content. I paste it onto the other pages. Control A, Control C. Control A will highlight all your content. Control C will be able to... Okay, so remember I've said to highlight. Control A to highlight everything. Control C to copy. Now come to all these other pages. But for you to do this, make sure that you have linked the pages. The pages are well linked. So come over here and Control V, paste. Go, Control S, save changes. Go to activities, Control V, Control S, continue, contact us, Control V, Control S to save changes. Fax, come here, Control V, Control S, save changes. Now we have our home page, we have our academics page, we have our activities page, we have our contact us page, and we have our fax page. So after composing this skeleton, now what will differ is the content that we are to put within these pages. Control S, save changes. Check on the progress. What do we have so far? Come back now to your project. This is Mutebi Ratib. Come over here, check item 2 folder, check on the home page. See, what do we have there? So far, we have our skeleton, we have academics, well linked, we have activities, well linked, we have contact us, well linked, and the fax page, well linked. After getting this, now let's start blending in. Let's start putting in content. I will come back to the home page and I start putting information over there. Now, basing on the plan, basing on our plan here, this is our plan. Basing on the plan, let me first open the plan we are following so that you don't lose out. Come back here, our item 2, I open our home page. It's over here. The home page, we have some catching statement. Welcome to Summit Forge Secondary School, forging the future through knowledge. I'll come over here and then I want to put this onto my site. Come back to your expression web. Under the home page, I want to say I had composed my Word file which I want to use. I want to put all this content there, but let me put it in a table for easy management. Keep the cursor here, go to table, insert table. I want to compose a table of 2 columns. Yes, 2 columns, and this table should have over 2 rows. Yes, 2 rows, 2 columns. Come to alignment, center, click OK. Yes, we have a simple table here. Let me edit a little bit. Come back, right click, table properties. I want to stretch it around 90, not 100. Click OK. Here we go. I want to merge the top row. Right click, go to merge, go to modify and merge cells. Over here, I'll go back to my dummy file which I've put in the video description, and I put this welcome message. Control C, come here. I want to paste. Because of time, I want to be very, very fast. Come over here. I want to bold it. After bolding, I want to go on, increase on each size around 24. And then after putting it there, I can now do more there. Now I want to go on, insert an image here, go into our support material. Over here, let me first close these files so that they don't confuse us. I want to go into our support material, onto the desktop. My folder is here. Open the folder. I want to put a catching image that will be on our home page. Come back here. I want to put this down here. Paste, click OK. After putting it here, align it center. After aligning it center, right click the image. I want us to give it uniform measurements, picture properties. Go to appearance, antique aspect ratio. Come here. We want to keep it at width 538, and then height. I want to keep its height at 433. We see whether we can get something that is a little bit visible. After doing that, move back to your other column or cell. I want to put some information there to see that we attend to the item setter's interests. I will come over here. I want to copy all this information. I say we are a dynamic and progressive school. Come over here, paste, Control V, and then remember the question they are telling us in the question paper. In the question paper over here, I want us to keep reflecting on it. The question paper is over here to see that we don't lose any single step. They want us to do what? In the website, we want to know, by designing a website, very good. By designing a website, yes. As a way of marketing, the surrounding community and the world at large will get to know more about the school's history, academic programs, co-curricular activities, and content. So I want to see you appreciating these pillars. So I will come back here into my expression web. I've been able to paste some key information where I'm saying that at Summit Forge, we believe every learner has the potential to shine through a balanced mix of academics, sports, and creativity. We help students grow into responsible and confident learners. I can also come and say the school was established. The school was established in the year 1990 by the foreign missionaries who came to spread Christianity. Who came to spread Christianity. So you keep make sure that at least you're attending, you're not off the hook, you're attending to the scenario very, very well to so that we don't lose out. So I will come over here. I want to increase on the size for visibility. Let me keep it at around 24. Is 24 too ambiguous? Yeah, let me maybe reduce it one more time around here. Okay, we can keep it at that, but make sure that you go on to blend, you go on to put some key bullets so that we can easily navigate through your content with a lot of ease. I can even come here, I italicize it, I bold it, I come here, I give it font color red, I apply. So when you do all this, it is a signal that we are looking for an A into this item. Control A, save changes. After saving changes, I can also come over here. I want to reduce on these ambiguous spaces to see that the site is not vague. Okay, away from that, I also want to put some catching statement here where I will say join. I want to say join Summit Forge Secondary. join Summit Forge Secondary School today. Join us today and be part of the learning community that believes in what? In excellence. That believes in excellence, comma, character, comma, and behavior. Character and behavior. Or let us say maybe and innovation. As simple as that. And innovation. Okay, so here the learner has to be very, very creative to see that we attend to the principles of the new curriculum, we attend to the dimensions that you are really have been taught the subject, you know what to do, you're very fast at thinking, you're very fast at creating things. All that should come from you. Now, after doing this, I want to bold it a bit, and then I'll go on to do some magic. Right-click this cell. I want to right-click into the cell. Go to cell properties. I want to give it a clear background to see that we keep checking onto the marks as we navigate through. I come over here. Should I apply this? Can this work? Click OK, we see. Yes, this can work. Now, Control S every single time you make a change, just in case you run out of electricity, you don't lose out. Come over here, right-click again. I want to go to page properties. I want to give it some color. Go to formatting, background color. I want to take this silver color. Click OK. So that at least the shape, the site is getting closer. Very, very amazing. So I want you to pause, try out. Pause, try out. I'm rushing through because of time. But for you, you're free to pause and try out with me. Come over here. I want to check on the progress so that we don't lose out. So come back. Is this the site? Let me see. Is it this one? I don't want us to have multiple. Yes, is it this one? Let me close this. Yes, could be this to see. Yes. Here we go. Things are getting closer. We are taking shape every single second. Now, what should I add onto my home page? I'll come back. Should I increase? Let me increase maybe on the side. Things are looking very, very tiny, and I want us to pick the other mark of varying font sizes to see that we get marks. Let me get back to my site to see what we have. Don't forget, this is your ICT facilitator, ICT tutor, your favorite behind the desktop screen here to see that we can learn. Each one is teaching one as we move forward with life. Now, after getting this, I will now continue to my other pages. Let me go to the academics page and see what can we put here. On the academics page, what can we put here? Here, I'll be looking for creativity at its peak. I will say, now here, let me maybe use a table, and this table should be having let me say 1, 2, 3, around 3 columns, and how many rows? 1, 2, 3, around maybe 3 rows. Yes, come back here. Come back, we run through. Come back and say, table, insert table, and then I want to see 3 rows. Yes, 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should I take 4 rows? Okay, let me take 4 rows and 3 columns. Then I'll come over here and then say align center, and then come and click OK. Here we go. I will first highlight the top row. Right click, go to modify and merge cells. After merging cells, what else? What had I planned for us here? I'll come and say, here I want to say explore the world range of academic programs offered at Summit Forge Secondary School. Control C, copy. Remember, I put all this in the support material to ease your follow-up with me. So I will come over here. I want to increase on the font around that. I want to bold it. After bolding, I want to see that I get things done well. So what can we add? Okay, explore the world, explore the wide range of academic programs offered at Summit Forge Secondary School, your best school of the century. Come over here and then say, Let me insert a catching image. Go back to your support material. Is it this one? Yes, it is the one. So come and I want to pick. Let me pick this. Control C. Come over here. Paste it into this cell and click OK. Remember to paste is Control V. After doing that, tap on it, align it center, and then move very, very fast. Let us keep it at a very, very clear unit measurement. Picture properties. Go to appearance. Antique aspect ratio, let's give it this unit C. Width, let us give it 431, and then height, we are to give it maybe 337. Click OK. Yes, sir. After doing that, I want to put some subjects here. The subjects we offer. Come back here. I say, what are the subjects we offer? Highlight, Control C. I've put all this in the video description. Please don't suffer. Let us work together. At a lot. Then come over here into our other cell, Control V. Yes, we have pasted. Move here, the last cell. We want to put another image to start. We get up with the marks. Then what? Let me take this beautiful teacher. Come over here, put the cursor, Control V, click OK. Same measurements. Right click, picture properties. Come over here, appearance, antique aspect ratio. Come and say the units that we want to take. We shall say, let me take the width to be 431 to keep uniformity. Then come also here 337. Yes, click OK, click OK, click OK, click OK. Yeah. Then come over here. I want to make this a bit thicker. I will say, let me bold it. Come here around 18. Is 18 better? Let me see 24. 24 better? Yes, it is better. Now come over here. I want to put a clear background. Is yellow okay? Yes, yellow is okay. Now come here, cell. I want to put some colors on the cell properties. Come and say background. Let me take this dark blue, dark. Okay, let me take aqua. Click OK. Yeah. Now, after doing this, should we increase the font? It's around 12. Let me keep it at 14. Is 14 okay? 14, 18. Okay, 14, 18, Control S. Then check and see the progress. Are we getting there? I think it's rolling out. Control, and see. Let me go to my academics page. Yeah. We are rocking. We are getting it closer. Now, after doing this, what else can we do? Let me see. Let's run very fast. Expression web. Come over here. We have another row. Let us merge it. I want to merge this row. I will merge. Right click. Come over here. I say modify. Say merge. When I merge, I want to put the programs, some other catching statements. Remember, I have put all this in the video description for your comfort, please, to see that we roll out together. Now come here and then Control V. After putting it here, I want to align this. No. Here. Only this section. I want to align it left. Oh, my heading. Can't stay. Come here, align it center. Then go on, increase on the font for visibility. Should I take around 18? Is 18 better? Come here, 24 seems to be better. Yes, sir. After doing this, please go on. This is my heading. I want to give it a uniform background color so that we line very well. The opacity and everything is getting closer. Now, after doing that, I will go on and say, do we need this row? Let me see, because we are running out of time. Delete row. I don't want that row. I'm remaining with only one row. In this row, I'm going to insert very, very fast, good images. Come over here. Let us take our first student to be, or could be a teacher. Come over here, Control V, click OK. Yes, away from that, another image. Get back here. I see. Which image can I take? These beautiful learners. Come here. Control V, click OK. Over here, what else? Let me take our teacher. Come back. Where is this gentleman? Click here. Control C, come here, and then get back to expression web, and then Control V, click OK. Now, after getting this, we need to keep them with uniform measurements. Right click. Go to picture properties. Go to appearance. I want to keep width, aspect ratio, antique. I want to keep the width at around 404. I will click OK after keeping its height at around 268, around there. We see, yeah, right click, go to picture properties on all the pictures, appearance, go to keep aspect ratio antique, then come to width, say 404, come to height, say 268, click OK. Go to our gentleman, the teacher, the best teacher, the teacher of the nation, picture properties, come to appearance, aspect ratio antique, come to width, come and say this is 404, click, go to height, our height is 268. Now after, click OK. Yes, sir. So after doing all this, what else can we add here? Let me try to reduce on the spacing to see that we don't lose it. Come over here. I want to insert a horizontal line. Should I put a horizontal line? Yes, sir. Go to HTML, go to Insert tab, go to HTML, click horizontal line. Our line will come over there. Let us reduce on the ambiguous spaces to see that our site is not that vague. Control S. Remember, highlight these images should be aligned center. Align them center to see that we get things done well. Each one should teach one. Your ICT facilitator rocking down UNEB 2025 item 2, which was about online publication. Control S, scroll back, see the site. How are things moving? Yeah, we are rocking, we are taking, we are shining. Yes, when you check here, our site is taking shape. Look, how are we going to lose out on marks? Because we have blended each and every single detail over here. Now, I will move back to activities page. And activities, I want us to be as fast as we can. Remember, we are running out of time. So I will come over here. And then I say, go to HTML, I go to activities, and activities, we want to start. We want to start to see that we rock and get things done. I want to use a table. The table make your work easy to balance the pages. So let us use tables. I want to create a table of how many columns? 1, 2, 3 over 4 columns. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, let us take that. Go to table, insert table. I want around 3 columns. Yes, and how many rows? Around 5 rows. Yes, let me keep it at 5. Alignment, we keep it center. The measurements, keep it at 100. Click OK. When I click OK, I'll come. I want to merge the top row first. Yes, merge the top row, highlight the way we highlight normally. Right click and then say modify and click merge. I want to merge the top row, and the top row I want to come back to my plan because of time. I want to put some catching statements. Co-curricular at Summit Forge Secondary School, co-curricular activities play a key role in shaping well-rounded learners. Yes, come over here. I want to paste. Control V. After pasting, allow me increase on the size. Come to size around 24. Come here. I want to keep this with a uniform background the way we started the other side. After putting that down, I will now go on and start inserting in my images. I will go on again to highlight the top row here. Again, right click, say modify, merge cells. I want to start with the cultural dances as one of the activities we do appreciate. Cultural dances. Yes, after putting it here, I will go to design, keep it at 24, bold it a bit. After bolding it, I will now go to give it font color here, white. I want to put white as the font color. Let me see, can I get white? Yes, white is there. Oh, but let me first work on the background. Right click, go to cell properties, come to background color. I want to take this dark blue. Click OK. So that when we get back here, all is well. Now, start inserting in your images for the different learners that are practicing the cultural dances. Let me start with these students. Control C, come here. Control V, click OK. Yes, our image is here. We want to keep this image as manageable as we can. Right click on the image, go to picture properties, come to appearance, antique aspect ratio, come here and say my images should be with a width of 431 and with a height over here with a height of 337. Yes, 337. Click OK. Align it center. Move on to the other section. I want to insert another image here. Yes, should I take these learners? Control C, come back here, Control V. Remember, we are looking at UNEB ICT paper 2 item 2 2025. Picture properties, come here, appearance, anti-aspect ratio. We keep the uniformity. I will come here and say this is 431, nice. Come over here and say 337. Click OK. When I click OK, one more image, come here. We see what do we have. Yes, these students are also under the cultural traditional dances. I will come over here, Control V, click OK, right click, go to picture properties, then click appearance, anti-aspect ratio, come over here. I say here I want to take 431 and then the height will be 337. Click OK. Nice. We are done inserting our images. Control S to save changes. Make sure you Control S to save changes. I want to go on. I want to merge this other row. Highlight, left click, highlight has moved on the right. Right click, say modify, merge. Here, I want to say we also have sports activities. I will come, highlight, go to bold, go to size over here. Keep it at 24, give it font color white, go back, go to cell properties, right click here, under cell properties, go to cell properties. I want the background color to be this dark blue, and then click OK. When we get back, we are taking shape. Things are coming out well. So after, I will move on, I insert my images that blend in an element of sports. I will go back to my support material. Over here, I'm looking now for sports. Let me start with these girls that are practicing netball. Control C, come over here, Control V, click OK. After, move on to the other images. Let me see what should I bring. These boys here, Control C, come over here, Control V, click OK. Come over here, one more. I will go check. Which one should I take? Let me take these girls. Again, come over here. Control V, click OK. Now, we need to keep them with uniform measurements so that we don't lose out on balancing. Right click onto the picture, picture properties, come to appearance, go to aspect ratio antique, come over here. I want to keep it at 431. Click to height, we keep it at 337. Click OK. Come back here, right click, picture properties, come to appearance, anti-aspect ratio, come here and we say this is 431 and then the height over here it is 337. Come and click OK, come back here, right click, go to picture properties, appearance, come to aspect ratio, come to width, say this is 431 and then height, come over here and say 337. And then click OK. Now we are done blending. All our images are over here. They are in shape. All is well. And then I'll just go on to reduce onto the ambiguous spaces that we had inserted over there. Control S, yes, we start things are taking shape. Academics page, well balanced. Home page, well balanced. And then contact us is our next page in line. Control S, check back your site to see what are we having here. Let me refresh a bit. Then this was our academics page. Our home page was here. Well balanced. Academics over here. Well balanced. Activities over here. Well inserted. Well designed. Looking amazing. Contact us is blank. Facts is also blank. Let's roll them to see that we touch each and every element. Okay, remember, this is your ICT facilitator, ICT tutor behind the desktop here, trying to see that we get things done well for the future, for the generation, for the other classes that are coming. Remember to expose this content to your learners. Let them get exposed. Let them practice. Let them watch the videos. Let them practice. We have uploaded multiple content for your comfort. Now, I will come over here. I want to create a simple contact us. Come over here, we say, let me say maybe your journey. I want to say, under contact us, I want to say, your journey begins here. Yes, your journey begins here. And below that, I want to say, maybe talk to us about admissions. Talk to us about admissions, programs, or partnerships. We are just what? We are just a call or message away. Yes, sir. So I'll move on and see that we blend lots and lots of things. Let me come here, increase on the size a bit around here. Yes, this one I will make it a bit thicker compared to the other. Around is this ambiguous? No, we can still be with that. I will come and say, now let me maintain this form, the same background. I wanted to keep it only at this. I want to see whether it is possible. Let me see. Okay, it's fine. So after putting your journey begins here, I want to bold it over here. After bolding, then I will say, let me compose a simple table. This table will be comprised of around, let me first look at the plan. Remember, we have a plan we are trying to follow so that we don't lose out. So come back to the plan. How had we designed the contact us page on the plan here? Let me see contact us. Okay, the contact us had some images. You're free to put them there. Then I have some key table where I have the contact info and then the form, which I want to appreciate the most. Come over here onto our page. I want to create a table. This table, come to table, say insert table, and then I want to keep my table with how many? With 1 row but 2 columns. I want to align everything center, and then I want to keep it at around 80, and then I click OK. Yes, after putting my table here, I want to put some address info. Come back to my plan, which I had composed, and I've been able to put this plan for you in the video description. Please go check it up and work with it. I want to say address. Those who want to look for us, we are located at Kampala Mukono Highway, so I want to put it over here. Yes, sir. After putting it over here, allow me increase the size around here for visibility. After doing this, what else can we add? What else? We have been able to put the email, the tel numbers, to mention but a few. Allow me come over here, come and increase to see that we get everything done well. After that, I'll right click. I want to put some color. Go to cell properties, go to background color. I want to take this aqua, click OK, so that at least we have things balancing very, very well. Now I'll come here and say, maybe under the other cell, I will say fill our online form. Fill our online form to get feedback. To get feedback instantly. So after putting this, I can again move on. I will do the magic later. Let me first compose my form. So now after doing all this, I will now move to my toolbox properties. I say I want to compose a simple form. I will come and maybe before, let me first insert a table. I will come over here. I say table, click table and say I want to insert a table. This table should be of 1 row, 1 column. I want to stretch it 100, align things center, and then click OK. So I'm going to be working within this table where I will put my container. So you come back to your form properties, look at my cursor, come back here, right click, drag and drop into your table so that you can easily manage. What do we need? I want to capture the name. I want to capture the name of the student. The name, I'm going to use the text box. I'm going to use this input text. I put it here, I stretch it a bit. Let me stretch it so that people can easily fill the information. Enter. I want to capture maybe the email. Under the email, I'm to use the same box, input text, bring it here, and then stretch it to see that we balance each and every single aspect. Come over here, I want maybe to capture the class of the student. Which class do you want to join? And under class, what should I take? Should I take what can I take? Should I take a Dropbox? What will work better? Let me take maybe a Dropbox for the class. I can put it there. I stretch it a bit. Over here, I want to stretch it to see that we balance each and every aspect very, very well. Then, after inserting, come here and double tap onto this field area. Come and say modify. But if I modify, let me first remove. I want to say now add. Under adding, I want to say this is S.1. Come here, add S.2. Click OK. Come here, add S.3. Click OK. Over here, say S.4. Click OK. Click add S.5. Click OK. Click add S.6. And then click OK. Click OK. After doing that, I'll now move on to the other section. I want to put maybe gender. I want to know the gender for the student. And under gender, we have two sections. Let me use a radio button. Come over here, click radio, put it over here. I want to say this is maybe male. Over here, sorry. Come over here. I want to break a bit. Another radio button. Come here. Drop it here. Sorry. I want to drop it. Drop it here. And then I will name this. As female. Thank you for watching. Remember, this is your ICT facilitator trying to work with you line by line. Then I can also go on and say maybe attach recent result slip, so that if a learner has a result slip, he is also able to attach it over here. Now here, what can we take? What can we take? Which button can we take to see that they can easily attach their result? Let me take this button that says collect a file, input file. Come here. I want to drop it over here. What else can I take? I can now also go on to say, let me say I want to also capture the former school. I will say former school. Over here, let me take input text so that they can easily feed in their former school. I want to stretch it a little bit over there. And then one more, I can now go on and say they are free to submit. I'll come, put my submit button over here, stretch it a bit. Let me drag it a little bit here. And then after, I'll go on and then say, let me take the reset button. I also put it over there. Now here, I can go on to still put some color to make it a bit unique, and then see that each and every aspect is well appreciated, and then I can also go on to bold. Now under here, double tap on it, come and say, instead of reset, we say clear. We say clear, click OK, and under here, I want to give it a font color yellow. Come over here, and then I want to keep it, let me keep black. Black is a bit visible. Yes. Now, let me also add this. Instead of calling it submit, let me call it submit, but in capital letters. Click OK, and here we are ready to roll out. Now, after doing all this, allow me increase on the fonts. I'm going to bold it a little bit, increase it around that. Then again, come back here, right click on the form. I want to go to cell properties, go to background. I want to take this silver, click OK. So that our form is also really eye catching. So I want to reduce on the ambiguous spaces to see that we can get things done and dusted. So when I Control S, save changes, my form is over here. Let me first look at what we have onto the web page. When we check here, this is our project. Currently, we are onto the contact us page. Yes, here we go, but the fields are too congested and we have a lot of space. So come over here and do some spacing to see that these buttons are really well spaced and we can easily balance out very well. So I'm more interested in the paper balance to see that we get things done well. So come back here and refresh one more time. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we are getting it closer. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for working with me. This is Mutebi, your ICT guru, your ICT tutor, your ICT friend, your ICT buddy. So now let's get back to our expression web. We are left with the facts page. Which we want to roll very fast to see that we get things done and dusted. So I will come over here. I say under my facts page, I decompose some dummy content which I want to use, where I'm saying find, I'm saying have questions, we have answers. So come over here, I want to paste it. After pasting, I want to increase the size a bit. Come to font size, keep it around that. Over here, highlight, put some color there, and then I can also make it a bit thicker to see that we get the items evaluators' attention. They can see each and every detail that we have put for them. Then I'm going to go to table, click insert table, and then come and say I want 2 rows, but I also want 2 columns. Yes, and then I'll move on. I say align content center. I click OK, and then come over here. I want to insert a very catching image. Come back to my support material. I want to be sure that the images are into my folder. Since I'm opening multiple folders, I don't want to make a blunder. Come back to our folder, double tap to open, then look for the image that we want to use. I want to take our office. Control C, come here, my expression web, where are you? You're here, thank you. Control V, paste your image, click OK. And then we want to insert one more other image over here, and this image can be anything of your choice. So, but for me, I'm going to take the school choir, Control C, come over here, and then Control V, click OK. I want to keep uniform measurements for the images. Right click on the image, go to picture properties, and then say appearance, keep aspect ratio, come over here and insert. I want the width to be 444, and let us take the width to be 301 and click OK. Come back here, right click, go to picture properties, come back to appearance, keep aspect ratio antique, then under here 444, come continue to height. Our height is 301. So click OK to see that we blend our content very well. After doing this, I'll now go compose some few questions that people normally ask. What type of school are you? And the answer is, we are a mixed day and boarding secondary school offering quality education under the national curriculum. Where are you located? We are 2 kilometers off Kampala Mukono Highway. So simple questions. The learner is free to think of anything that they think can get them the better result. So I'll come over here, Control C my questions. Remember, for me, I've been able to put them here for easy management and time. So come to right click. I want to first merge. Remember, I had composed the two rows, but I want to merge this section. Right click, say modify, merge. Then come here, Control V. After Control V, my questions are now here. I want to move on and align them left. After, I will go on, increase on the font size. Let me keep it around 24. Yes. Is it clear here? 24 seems to be very big. Around 18. Maybe 18 can roll out well. So come over here. I want to keep it a font color. Let me take font color white. I click OK. Oh, you can't see because font color is white. Nice. Go to background. I want to keep it at maybe that color. No. Let me go back. Right click into the cell. Go to cell properties. Come to background. Click here. I want to take this dark blue, click OK. When you get back, at least we have our questions and the few answers attached onto them. Control S, save changes. Control S, let me come over here. I reduce onto the ambiguous spaces as you see them. Let me insert a horizontal line. Go to insert HTML, horizontal line, to see that we don't lose out. Now, after getting this done, should I take this? Will it be okay? Let me first check. Let me first check to see what we are having under our facts page. Yeah, it looks good. Yes, it looks very, very good. Let me maintain that. It's okay. Remember, color balancing. I don't want to use lots of colors in my work. So now we have our home page well designed. We have our academics page well designed. We have our activities page well designed. Contact us page well designed. And then we have our facts page well designed. But under the contact us, the page looks a bit, should I add? Okay, that is enough. It is enough for today. It has been your ICT facilitator, ICT tutor on this one. Remember, our question paper is UNEB 2025 ICT paper 2, item 2, where the candidate was supposed to come up with a website. And we have been able to keep it very, very easy in this video. Thank you for loving me. May God bless you. May you never lack. May you live longer. May you be rich. May you be happy tomorrow, today, the other day, and the days to come. Thank you so much. May God bless you for me. Bye-bye.